skates with Good afternoon. I decided just to go for another ride because I haven't done a ride for ages, and despite it looking like we got 256, 57 kilometers, because I took the thing apart, my rules that I've set myself state that I'm starting from zero, so this is me starting from zero again. I'm going to go maybe along the main road. Oh, it's really quite rattling. Something's rattling quite badly. Lots of things rattling. Okay, that seems a bit better. Alright, okay. So anyway, heading out on a ride because I haven't done one for ages. Oh, what's rattling now? Everything's rattling. Oh, well. But anyway, I'm going to see if I can get a bit of distance on it. One of the things I have noticed is since changing the bike into a 5-wheel bike in the previous video, the steering is very twitchy, so I think I kind of maybe found a sweet spot on the steering, and I've lost it again. And 16 isn't that great either. But again, that could be because I've been not cycling for 3 months. So let's pick it up a bit. Anyway, yeah, seeing if I can get a bit of distance on it. Boy. Oh, it's a bit grey and autumny. That's nice too. Decided though, main roads are boring. It's just lots of straight here around here, so I'm going to take a right at the end, and there's supposed to be kind of like an old sand quarry or something a little bit down the road and to the left, so I'm going to see if I can find that. That might be quite interesting. So yeah, I've got a slight issue, which is that the steering is really twitchy now, and I'm not quite sure why. Yeah, it's requiring me to tweak the steering frequently, and that's a bit weird. That used to be that I could take my hands off and it would go in a straight line. That's well, no, not feeling confident with that. So something is loose. I'm not quite sure what. We'll find this turn into the Sandpit, and then I might do a quick run through all the bolts and do a check. I think it's this. I will find out. Oh, this also looks like a good place to test out fake drones as well. Yeah, we'll do a quick stop here, do a bolt check, and then I'll set up the camera on a stick. Okay, so let's start with these. These are can't really see anything there. Let's try some new ones. Let's do these. Good. Yeah, fine. Weird. Okay, this side. They look alright. Oh, hang on. Got one. That's seems mostly okay. Turn the thing on its side and whoop, right. Let's go double checking these then. They look okay. Yeah. Alright, they could have done with a bit more. Oh yeah, alright, fine. This could have something to do with the steering. Yeah, okay, alright, fine. Doing up the bolts that are holding the steering on are almost certainly a good idea. Alright. All looks alright otherwise. I made this a few weeks ago, and this is a flagpole, but it has a secret secondary function. Hope there won't be too many cars coming along here, but guess what? When you do up the steering bolts, the bike isn't as twitchy. Who knew? Oh dear. Yeah, hang on. Let's have a go. Just for, yeah. So, pro tip. When you take your bike to bits to turn it into something else, make sure you tighten the bolts up again tightly. Shouldn't be something I need to really reiterate, but this will be for me. I'm not sure about this. That's a nice road. It's not the main road. Oh. Very rattly. Why is this rattling? Let's try that. Not quite so rattly. Alright, okay. Where's my drone gone? Oh. Well, I've never been down here, so it's new for me too. I don't know, I think this might be not correct. But I'll see how far I can go. So I took a quick look at the map, and apparently if I take a right and another right, so a U-turn, I should be able to get to the quarry. But this is a nice road. This channel is not supposed to showcase how good I am at navigating. I think we'll establish that's not the case. But apparently there's a way through ahead, I hope. We'll see.
A few minutes later.
Okay. Let's take a right, I think. And we're back along the railway. What can I say? There are a lot of empty roads along the railway. Just seems to be a thing. Oh, another reason I put down the flagpole is getting close to the railway. You really, really, really don't want to have a long carbon fibre stick flying about near too close to 18,000 volts, I think. German railway system runs on 18,000 volts. Anyway, that might damage the camera, so yeah. No, but seriously, Yeah, sticking long flag poles up near overhead wires. Well, that explains why. That explains why it was rattling. Anyway, hang on. We'll park. We'll go park safely. That's lasted 266 kilometres. That one has been. That one and that one loosened off. And yeah, maybe that means I need to rethink on this because I just put some bolts through the back of the seat and clamped it on. But yeah, there is a fair bit of weight on this camera rig now. So yeah, it's always a possibility. Yeah, that seems okay. Right. Apart from some scratches, that seemed to hold up remarkably well. Oops. Oh well. Continue. Footnote: should you wish to mount a camera to one of these, make sure it's tight. Dreihausen. Alright, let's count the houses. 1, 2, 3. Alright, they weren't kidding. Oh, I lied to her. Yeah. 5, 6, 7. It's a lie. Okay. Anyway, you may have noticed that I've now done 3 right angles. So we're well on the way to the gravel pit, I hope. Maybe. I'm disinclined to look at the map again. Hey! Racing dogs. Dogs seem to get a bit freaked out by this. It's not enough like a bike that they kind of find it a bit strange. Okay, I'm lost. Although this could be the road I was supposed to get on in the first place to go there. I'm gonna wuss out and take a look at the map, I think. So I'm glad I wussed out and had a check, because apparently it's straight on. I was going to go left or right, but straight on it is. Let's go. And it's off-road. Off-road is always fun. The ground's getting sandier. It's got to be a good hint that there's sand around. Oh God, I'm in the wrong gear. That's enough. No, we don't. Oh dear. This is wow. Right, very low gear, and it's sort of happening. But once again, I'm super duper happy for the mountain bike back tyre. This would not have happened otherwise. But yeah, low gear. Good to go. Oh my goodness, this looks like a hill. We don't have hills up here. I'd just like to point out that the Rattling is in fact a water bottle again, and that I should keep my dog on the lead. Oh, this is very pretty. I'm glad I picked this. This is nice. Still want to see the actual sandpit though. I'm trying that. we were going to get up there on this. Might be able to get the grass at the front. Yeah, give it a bit of grip, it's nice. It's the unfit rider that's holding it back now. Oh, bloody. Ugh. I've got 3 wheels and now not happy. Pull it over this bit, I think. Oh, there's a gate. Getting close. Oh. I think that's as far as we're going to get. We could go a bit further, but spiky gates with barbed wire seem to be a good indication that they don't want people cycling around it. So, well, we found it. Cool. Glad I managed that. That's been bugging me for a while where that is. So I stopped again and I realised that the mountain biking had made these loose, so I've just gone through all of these again and I've tightened them up. Yeah, tightening these bolts at the bottom is just not going to cut it. It needs some other solution here. Yeah, there is no way. Everything else seems fine, but it's the old problem with the middle. So this is going to need some actual thought put into it now. Possibly some more metal sideways, possibly using bolts coming out and then nylocks on it. But this is definitely going to need some fixing. But I'm glad I'm doing this because this makes the thing safe. This means that it's not going to come to bits, and that's important.